in the world. I'm trying not to scare it. My mom's over there. She doesn't want to be on camera because she's too scared. But I'm trying not to scare the board, but someone says he comes out here every Sunday morning waiting for them. That's what they say. I want to give you guys a good look at the board. Oh. What? Well, all I have to say is not a pet. My mom told me it's not a pet. I'm just hoping the board doesn't get hurt. I wonder if he gets fed because he just comes out here every Sunday morning. Okay, please don't get hurt, but someone just went on him. Come on. Come on, it's okay. That's good. Oh my God. You're like those boards trying to run away from the LC. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Okay. It's okay. This video is filmed on Boombox. I'm not editing the video on Ethan. Just filming. Oh. It's okay. Okay. Hello. Hello, little kitty pie. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. Have a nice day, little Bodie.